What's up, YouTube? Okay, nasa Quezon City. Oh my fucking god. There's a lot of dogs, bro. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of fucking dogs, bro. Oh shit. There's a lot of fucking dogs, bro. Oh shit. That's a lot of fucking dogs, bro. Hi vlog, today we're at Matalino Street, Quezon City. Yatra. Today we're on the quest for our two friends, Jada Lee and Jada B. Jada Lee and Jada B. Saan tayo pupunta, Kench?
Kay Jada.
Kay Jada. Asan sila, Jada? Di ko... Grabe yun. Wala! Grabe! Pa-check up ko kay kuya. Oo, kaya mag-ibalik.
Gagong galing.
Gagong galing. Ganyan tunay na pag-ibig. Wala na. Sige talaga pala. What's up, people? We're at Kowloon House. What are we gonna do in Kowloon House? Yeah, as you can see, there's Blaster. We're gonna do it
Marami lang
Kowloon.
nakakapansin.
What's up, YouTube? Another vlog for today. Tangina, uwi na ako, God. What's up, YouTube? Uwi na ako. Sadyang masaksak. Fuck this shit, bro. And if you're from Quezon City, leave a fucking like. Smash that like button. And
physically aligned at the exact same time, but I've been too parched to start. She's been asleep most of the time. Things have been way too crazy by design. In my system, it's departed not too long until it started. All these things are no longer for show. If it hurts me, don't you worry, won't you go and sit beside me? These are all the things that you should know.
so what's up, vlog? Today I'm gonna wrap up my June. Exactly, it's June 22, and so pretty much June is one of that, you know, one of a kind month. Like today was one of the best days of June. I actually made my month. I would rate this day June 22nd a 9 out of 10. I met some of my friends that I haven't met for years, 9 months. I haven't seen them, so I saw them, and we'll continue to keep June in touch. June, one of the best months of all time. One of the best months of all time, not gonna lie.